Hello everyone. This video is about a stylish knit, very tight in both directions. Reminiscent of Chanel style and the coarse woven tweed often found in her models. Any clothing may be made more stylish and elegant using this knit. The pattern of the knitting consists of 6 loops and 4 rows, which are repeated in an offset. In the sample, the number of loops is a multiple of 6 plus 2 outside the scheme for symmetry and 2 edge stitches. At the base of the knitting are loops slipped without knitting and 2 horizontal stretches, which are more reminiscent of a coarse woven textile. The swatch is knitted from multicolor yarn, which underlines this analogy. We start from the right side. Row 1 is on the right side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is purl 2, knit 1, again, purl 2, knit 1. Purl the last 2 stitches outside the repeating scheme. Row 2 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is knit 2, purl 1. Again, knit 2, purl 1. Knit the last 2 stitches outside the repeating scheme. Row 3 is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 1. Repeat, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Slip 3 loops, the thread is in front. Again, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Slip 3. Purl the last 1 stitch outside the repeating scheme. Row 4 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, knit 1. Repeat. Slip 3 loops, the thread is at the back. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Again. Slip 3. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Knit the last stitch outside the repeating scheme. Row 5 is on the right side. After the edge loop, the repeat pattern is purl 2, knit 1. Again, purl 2, knit 1. Row 6 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, knit 2, purl 1. Again, knit 2, purl 1. In the next 2 rows, we repeat the 3rd and 4th rows with 3 offset stitches. Row 7 is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 1. Repeat. Slip 3 loops, the thread is in front. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Again. Slip 3. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Purl the last stitch outside the repeating scheme. Row 8 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, knit 1. Repeat. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Slip 3 loops, the thread is at the back. Again. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Slip 3. Knit the last 1 stitch outside the repeating scheme. I've given you a chic knit with a gorgeous relief that looks like coarse tweed. It is an ideal choice for an elegant Chanel-style cardigan. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.